Take a moment to let the body settle and enjoy the stillness of the body, the stillness that comes through really accepting the way the body feels moment by moment. Be aware of the whole body as you sit there. 2 arms, 2 legs, the head, the torso, all connected. A single integrated space of feeling. Throughout the work that we'll be doing with this meditation, keep trying to have the body as relaxed and as still as possible. Although that may be very challenging because of the pain. Now, we're going to clarify the structure of your pain. You may have one area where the pain is particularly strong, or there may be several areas. Go to the first area where the pain sensation is strong. Focus all of your awareness there and get a clear perception of the shape of that sensation. Is it oval, rectangular, round? If round, is it round like a ball? Or round like a pancake? It may have a shape that you can't describe in words, but you can be aware of. Trace out with your awareness the shape of that sensation. As precisely as possible. Be aware of how the sensation resides in the body. Is it near the surface, or is it deep set? Be aware of the quality of its borders. Are they sharp, or are they diffuse? Within the sensation itself, is the feeling uniform? Or are there areas of greater or lesser intensity? Continue to pour all your awareness on that sensation. Continue to relax your whole body and open up and accept what you discover as you explore that sensation. Does that sensation send out any influence, connectors, radiations of energy? Does it cause a reaction over your whole body, or a reaction right around it? Does it cause any cringings or aversive qualities in other parts of your body? Now, continuing to pour your awareness on that sensation and continuing to open up your whole being to it. Watch it even more carefully, as though it were a living being in its own right, like a lizard on a wall. How and when will this creature move? Perhaps its border will shift ever so slightly. One part of it may become stronger or weaker. Perhaps there are rhythms or patterns of movement, pulsations, vibrations. Rest your whole awareness and see if you can detect any tiny changes in any aspect of that sensation, moment by moment. And if not, if the sensation seems totally solid and not changing in any way whatsoever, that's fine. Just accept that. Give it permission to be that way. Having clarified the structure of that pain sensation, if you have other areas of prominent painful sensation, go to each one of them in turn and explore in this same way.